What's up, everyone? Arif here. It is the holiday season. Now, let's take a look at what we have here. And that's right, you're seeing it. It is a BlackMagic Pocket Cinema 6K. Now, this is not the Pro version, but the Pro version I just don't feel is worth the extra $1,200. So I did pay $2,000 for this, and that's after I got scammed for $500, which you can check the video right here in the top corner. That is an interesting story I don't think you want to miss out. But let's take this out of the box and see exactly what did I get for $2,000. There we go. That's a much better look for you guys. So let's take it out here. That is a receipt with some personal information, so we're not going to show you that. And now, opening it up, we have our DaVinci Resolve code and our little welcome packet. The gentleman who owned this before me, very professional, used this for actual work, unlike me who uses it for like really poorly made YouTube videos. So he actually took very good care of this camera. I'm happy it comes with an AC charger. This was actually my biggest concern, was if it would come with this or not. So I was very happy about that. Moving to our plugs, we have, you know, all the standard plugs. We're just gonna be using North America because freedom. Here is a strap for a camera that literally no one uses on any camera. And then taking this out, we come to the pièce de résistance, our BlackMagic 6K camera. This thing is an absolute behemoth. It is crazy large. This is no pocket anything. I'm fat, okay? And being fat, I would have bigger pants, and even my pants cannot fit this in a pocket. That's just not happening. By the way, say hi, YouTube. There you go. It uses a Canon EF mount, I believe. And then I believe it takes LP6 batteries. Now, oh my God, there we go. So I believe it's LP6, which, yes, it is, LPE6, which is good because I have a few of these for my monitors. So I'm happy about that. And it uses, I believe, dual fast cards. How do I get that open here? Oh, there we go. So yeah, it takes I think that's a C-Fast card, and then it can also take SD. But what you really want to use is this USB port here. The Type C can take an SSD. So you can get a Samsung T5 or T7 USB 3.2 or 3.1 gen external SSD, plug it in, and then you can record to that, and it will take it as the priority. Has mini XLR for audio in, and of course the 12 volt for the power source. I have not opened this. Actually, so this is being recorded on December 15th. I bought this on November 22nd, and I haven't opened it since. Oh, I am an idiot. I turned it on without a lens in there. No wonder it was pink. But yeah, this is my newest edition, which hopefully before Christmas I'll have a few videos put out with this. But definitely this is my camera going forward. So I am retiring my Nikon D3300 that I've had for 7 years. It was a good camera, but ultimately in the end, it just wasn't enough for what I needed. Just as I was wrapping up this video, well, my cage, my Smallrig cage actually arrived, or Magic Rig. I thought it was Smallrig, but whatever. And we'd be wrong not to take a look at this too, because when you have something like a $2,000 6K camera, you should probably protect it. So I bought one of these. These are what everyone seems to be using, and I guess I will be using it too. Not too bad at $100-something odd, and it provides just all the mounting holes on the planet. So let's see, how does this thing go? Does it go this way? I'm assuming it goes this way because it's got to accommodate the handle, right? Right? Handle? Oh. What? Maybe it goes this way? Maybe it goes this way. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Am I stupid? Hello? Oh, wait. I may have got it. 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 That doesn't feel right. Actually, you know what? No, maybe that is right, because there's the I/O ports. So maybe that is correct. What's on the hardware over here? So in the hardware, we have our handle. So that will go right, I guess, here? I guess it's up for grabs. And what do we got? We have one of these, I don't know what this is. And then some screws and some Allen keys. Oh no, tiny screws. I don't know what the tiny screws do. Oh no. And there's no manual for this. Why is there no manual for this? Hello? Manual? And then I also got this little extra accessory. And what this is supposed to do is provide, actually, I don't know what this one is. Let's find out. I don't remember what this is. This is Smallrig super lightweight rail block. Okay, so I guess this is for me to be able to mount it to, like, I guess other stuff. Oh my god, why is everything so small and in tiny plastic bags? What is this? Okay. Oh yeah, so you can see you can run a pipe through them and like mount them to rails. Oh, that's why they call it a rail block. Oh, I get it. Okay, we're gonna do this later. This one will be later. We have to figure out how the hell this works. So let's take a look. So it looks like it goes here. I guess we should start by putting the handle. I guess we'll start with the handle. So this goes here because two big holes. Okay, so the two big holes, these have to be it, right? I'm not like stupid. These have to be it. Although, how is this supposed to tighten? It's not threaded. Oh no, is it threaded? Oh, maybe it goes this way. That doesn't feel right though. As you can see, this has very much gone from a unboxing to just a horrible idea. But let's see, do you screw? Oh, you know what? Oh, maybe this goes, maybe this thing here goes in the bottom. Oh. Let's, nope, that's way too small. I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty stupid right now. I feel pretty dumb. Does this go in here? Bruh, come on. That does not go in there. There has to be a manual for this thing. There has to be. Like, what in the hell? I cannot be this stupid. There's just no shot. Okay, we're looking up a manual. Be right back. Okay, I figured it out. I looked up the Magic website for a manual, and they had a video. And the video was so poorly made that in the middle of shooting this video, I shot a tutorial video of how to set the stupid thing up. But I got it. So that really fat screw mounts the camera to the bottom, or mounts the camera to the cage. And then the two medium fat screws, they go into the handle. And the two smaller screws hold the SSD mount. And then that little bracket thing at the bottom, that holds the camera in. And then the two, what I thought were SSD mounting screws, actually just go in here. I felt stupid that I didn't know that right away, but hey, we all make mistakes. We're a first time channel. But there you guys go. This feels nice. I like this. Feels nice, feels weighty. You know, it feels like you have good control anytime you do something. I'm really, really happy with this. But I do need to order a few things. I'm not going to put the rails on right now because I just don't really feel the need to. But at least now I know what I'm doing. But there you guys have it. So first impressions, well, unboxing, I guess, of the 6K camera, which it did come out back in 2019, but it's still a solid camera. And in this cage, I'm very happy I ordered this cage, and I see now why everyone orders these. These things are fantastic, and I don't know, I just feel better knowing my camera is somewhat protected from like drops on like the corners. I'm very, very happy with this. But there you guys go. Thank you so much for bearing through this video, this unboxing and first impressions. If you guys like this, hey, you know what? Hit that subscribe button. And like I said, hopefully in January, we are going to start filming stuff in 6K. Although I don't think on YouTube it will support 6K, but you know what though? At least you know it was shot in 6K. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Good night. Bye.